So you guys have a milk frother or a latte machine at home and you want to make hot chocolate? I got you covered. Stay tuned. Okay, it's getting cold out. You guys want hot chocolate. You don't know what to do. You don't want to just use that powder stuff and microwave your milk. You might have a steamer at home or a milk frother. It works just fine. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm also going to show you how to make a little bit of latte art or hot chocolate art, as the case may be, in this video, so stay tuned and follow along. Okay guys, first things first, heat up your coffee mug. Fill it all the way up with warm water. Now temperature is very important with this hot chocolate. You want to make sure your milk is cold and your mug is hot. There's a lot of tutorials online that will show you how to properly froth milk. I'm just going to go over the basics. So you fill up your pitcher with really cold milk, and you're going to dump out that hot water in that mug, and then you're going to fill it up with chocolate. I usually add about 2 ounces, 3 ounces of chocolate. That's enough for one serving right there. If you want it really chocolatey, you can go ahead and add more. Now what we're going to do is turn on the steam and hold it slightly off center so it forms a little spiral vortex, and that's going to give you that microfoam that's going to allow you to give the milk a really nice texture, and it's going to add really nice flavor to your hot chocolate. This makes all the difference. This is why milk frothing is so much better than microwaving or just boiling. So give it a nice little tap and give it a little stir, and your milk is going to have a really nice texture and really nice flavor. So this is why the quality of the chocolate makes all of the difference, because it's just the chocolate and the milk. So you want to make sure that chocolate gets melty and completely emulsified into the milk. So what you're going to do is pour that hot milk over those chips, let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds, and just stir until it's completely melted and smooth. So you will need a little whisk, and just keep on stirring. You want to make sure that mug is really hot to begin with. As for temperature of the milk, you want to make sure that it's too hot to touch, but you don't want it to be boiling hot. So you want to touch it, and you want it to be just too hot. You don't want to be able to hold your hand there. You want it to be very hot, but you definitely don't want it boiling hot. That ruins the flavor. So stir, stir, stir. As you can see, it's coming together. And you have a nice chocolatey, potent drink as is right there. And all we're going to do is just add a little bit of latte art or a little bit of nice microfoam on top of that. I'm definitely not an expert at making beautiful designs, but it's easier to watch than for me to explain to you. As you can see, I just kind of tilt the glass, and then I put the spout right in the center, and I give it a little jiggle, and usually something nice comes out. So there you have it. That's a beautiful hot chocolate right there. I top it with a little cocoa powder. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure if you like this content, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos coming in the future. Thank you guys for watching.